Sweet, creamy, and irresistibly delicious, condensed milk is a beloved ingredient found in kitchens around the world. From rich desserts to a perfect cup of coffee, this thick and luscious milk product enhances flavors like no other. But have you ever wondered how it's made? What happens behind the doors of a factory to turn fresh farm milk into the smooth, velvety treat we all love? Join us as we take an exclusive behind-the-scenes journey into the fascinating world of condensed milk production. We'll explore every step of the process, from fresh milk collection at the farm to the sophisticated machinery that carefully thickens and sweetens it, ensuring the perfect texture and taste. Let's dive in. The journey of condensed milk begins long before it reaches the factory. It starts on a farm, where fresh, high-quality cow's milk is collected with utmost care. Every morning, skilled dairy farmers ensure that only the best milk is harvested, maintaining strict hygiene standards to guarantee freshness and safety. Modern dairy farms use advanced milking systems that not only speed up the process, but also monitor the health and milk output of each cow. This ensures that the milk collected is of consistent quality, with the perfect balance of fat and protein. Once collected, the fresh milk is immediately chilled to around 4 degrees Celsius or 39 degrees Fahrenheit to preserve its freshness and prevent bacterial growth. It is then carefully transported in refrigerated tanker trucks to ensure that the milk remains pure and unspoiled during its journey to the factory. But before the milk is used for condensed milk production, it must first pass rigorous quality tests. Scientists and food safety experts check for purity, fat content, protein levels, and any potential contaminants. Only milk that meets the highest standards is approved for processing. Once approved, the milk is pumped into sanitized storage tanks, where it is kept at the perfect temperature, ready for the next stage of transformation. The journey from farm to factory is just the beginning of this incredible process. Once the fresh milk has passed strict quality checks, it moves to the next critical stage, standardization. But what does this mean? Since natural milk can have slight variations in fat and protein content, standardization ensures that every batch maintains the same creamy texture and rich taste. This process is done using a high-speed centrifuge, a machine that spins the milk rapidly to separate cream from skim milk. By carefully adjusting the ratio, technicians create a perfectly balanced product with the ideal fat and protein levels needed for condensed milk production. Now that the milk is standardized, it's time for pasteurization, a crucial step that ensures safety and extends shelf life. The milk is heated to a high temperature, typically around 72 degrees Celsius or 161 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 seconds to eliminate harmful bacteria without compromising its natural flavor and nutrients. This heat treatment effectively kills any bacteria while preserving essential vitamins, minerals, and the creamy taste we associate with condensed milk. Immediately after pasteurization, the milk is rapidly cooled to prevent overcooking and maintain its freshness. With the milk now safe, pure, and perfectly balanced, it is ready for the next major transformation, the evaporation process, where it will start taking on the thick, luscious consistency of condensed milk. Now comes one of the most crucial steps in making condensed milk: evaporation. This is where the milk begins to transform into the thick, creamy consistency we recognize. But how does this happen? The milk is carefully transferred into huge vacuum evaporators, where it is gently heated under reduced pressure. Unlike boiling milk at normal atmospheric pressure, this special vacuum process allows the milk to evaporate at a much lower temperature, around 50 to 55 degrees Celsius. Why is this important? Because it removes excess water without burning or altering the natural flavor of the milk. This low-temperature evaporation is essential. It prevents the milk from caramelizing too soon and helps retain its creamy white color and rich taste. As evaporation continues, about 60% of the milk's water content is removed. What remains is a denser, richer liquid full of natural milk solids and sugars, giving it that signature velvety smooth texture. At this stage, the milk is thicker but not yet sweetened. This is known as evaporated milk. But for sweetened condensed milk, there's one more step: adding just the right amount of sugar to achieve that deliciously sweet, long-lasting goodness. Now that the milk has been carefully evaporated, it's time for the sweet transformation. To create the rich, indulgent flavor of sweetened condensed milk, a precise amount of high-quality sugar is added. But did you know that sugar does more than just make it sweet? Beyond enhancing its delicious taste, sugar plays a critical role in the texture and longevity of condensed milk. As the sugar dissolves, it interacts with the natural proteins and water content, creating a thicker, smoother consistency that makes it perfect for desserts, coffee, and baking. But there's another hidden benefit. Sugar acts as a natural preservative. By binding with water molecules, it reduces the amount of available moisture where bacteria could grow. This means sweetened condensed milk can last for months, even years, without refrigeration, unlike regular milk. The sugar is carefully blended into the milk while maintaining a controlled temperature. This ensures a perfectly smooth, lump-free consistency, preventing crystallization and ensuring that signature silky, pourable texture. At this stage, the transformation is nearly complete, but before it's ready for packaging, the mixture must go through one final process, cooling and homogenization, to ensure every drop is perfectly uniform and irresistibly creamy. Now that the milk has reached its perfect sweetness and thickness, it's time for the final refinement process, cooling and homogenization. This step is essential to ensure that every can of condensed milk has the same smooth, velvety texture and stays fresh for a long time. First, the mixture is carefully cooled down in a controlled environment. Rapid cooling prevents the formation of sugar crystals and keeps the milk silky smooth. The temperature is reduced gradually to prevent sudden changes that could affect texture. But cooling alone isn't enough. Without homogenization, the natural fats in the milk could begin to separate over time, leading to an uneven texture. That's where the next step comes in. The mixture is passed through a high-pressure homogenizer, a machine that breaks down fat molecules into microscopic particles. This process ensures that the fat stays evenly distributed, preventing separation and giving condensed milk its signature, creamy, stable consistency. This final refinement ensures that every batch of condensed milk is perfectly uniform, maintaining its rich, silky smooth texture from the factory to your kitchen. Now that the milk has been sweetened, cooled, and homogenized, it's finally ready for the last step, sterilization and packaging, where it's sealed for freshness and prepared for delivery worldwide. The condensed milk is carefully poured into pre-sterilized cans under strict hygienic conditions. Each can is filled with precision, ensuring there's just the right amount inside, no more, no less. To keep the condensed milk fresh and safe for months or even years, each can is hermetically sealed, meaning it's made completely airtight. This prevents any contamination and locks in the smooth, creamy goodness inside. But there's one more critical step: heat sterilization. The sealed cans pass through a final heating process, reaching temperatures of 115 to 120 degrees Celsius. This destroys any remaining microbes and extends the shelf life, making sure the condensed milk stays safe, delicious, and ready to use for a long time. This high-temperature sterilization is what makes canned condensed milk last for months or even years without refrigeration, making it a pantry essential worldwide. After passing final quality checks, the cans are labeled, packed, and ready to be shipped across the globe. From bakeries and cafes to home kitchens, where they'll bring sweetness to countless recipes. And that's how fresh milk is transformed into the rich, creamy, and delicious condensed milk we all love. The next time you use it in your coffee, desserts, or cooking, you'll know the incredible journey behind every spoonful. Once packaged, the condensed milk is sent to stores worldwide, ready to sweeten coffee, desserts, and delicious recipes. So next time you open a can of condensed milk, you'll know the incredible journey it took to reach your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating food production videos.